Alright, so next thing we're going to do is create the one for the bar. So let me go to A1 so you can see it better. So I'm just going to create one that kind of goes like this and around here, so we have an area kind of for the bar. So to do that is the same process. I'm just going to pick this guy, the Dining 01, and copy it over. And you'll see it appear as Dining 1 here, and I'll rename that to Bar 1. And let me expand that and rename that to Bar 01. And then I'll pick this and go to Edit in Place, and it'll open up the sketch mode. And I'm just going to window around this guy and delete it and create a new one. So the first thing I'm going to use is a pick line command. So this little guy right here, and I can just pick this and it'll actually put a line there for me, which makes life easier. I'll go back to the line command, maybe draw one over to here and down to there, and then maybe over to here and up to there. And then I'm just going to create a spline between these two that does the curve. So I'll just do a spline through points and pick kind of along this line, right, until I get close. And once I'm done, I'll hit escape twice to stop the command string. You can kind of adjust these however you want. You know, if you're not happy with this one, you could move it. Actually, I think you need to move this guy up. Like if you move this guy up to there, it will, the straight line up, it will actually move that one, and then you can kind of adjust these. So, you know, again, it doesn't have to be exact, but get it kind of close. That looks pretty good. And then I just need to select them all and create form, right? And it'll let me create that 3D form. If I go into my 3D view, I've got that guy, and I'm just going to go to the align command here and align to the top of this, the top of that. And then I'll also put the material parameter on this, so pick that and click the little gray box, the material, and hit cancel, and I'm going to pick that guy and click OK and finish mass. So the next thing I want to do is just pick this guy and confirm that it's doing the gross floor area and give it a new material, which I'm on SPO1 because I copied it, but I'm just going to click on the white space here, open up my material dialog box, and I should have an SPO2 in here. I must have forgot to rename the other one, so let's create a new material down here, and you can see I have these two. I'll right click on this one and rename it to SPO3, right? And then I'll get that SPO3 and set it up, and then go rename the other one. So again, use render appearance. We'll go to the appearance, pick a color, maybe green, that'll be attractive. Go back to graphics and set the cut pattern to the same. And there, click OK. And then what I want to do is look at the default material that I forgot to rename. There it is, and I'll rename that one to SPO2. Okay, alright, fix that, and then click OK, and all of those, whoops, gosh, I must not have taken that. So let's see, there's SPO3, oh, and SPO2, use render appearance. And let's just change that one to SPO3, make sure. Alright, so now we've got all those done, and when we come back we will talk about putting tags and stuff on them.